Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacconiana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. Today we are going to look at our last great hope if one of these disposable promotional plastic butane lighters is going to work for us. I gotta be honest, I have all but given up hope at this point after those previous three over here have failed to, well, one did light briefly, the other two were not working. This one I don't believe will work simply because it looks like the flint has probably degraded and filled that blister pack with flint dust. So we're probably not even going to open that one. That leaves us with this Benson and Hedges. Is that an Electra XL? I think that's what it says. Piezo lighter that is butane fueled. Was a giveaway, I think, with a pack or multi-pack of cigarettes back in the day. So we will go ahead and open this up and see what we have. It's got the Benson and Hedges logo right there on the front. Actually on both sides. Scripto is the brand. Electra XL is the model. It does have a flame adjustment lever here. And it moves. Don't hear any gas leaking. Oh, it looks like there's plenty of gas still in it. Maybe. Couldn't see that through the packaging earlier. So is that plenty of gas, or is that just a remnant of gas like we saw through the bottom of that Marlboro lighter last week? We could see gas through it right there, but it certainly wouldn't light. So as I said, flame adjustment. There's your burner or valve, whatever you're going to call that. I don't know what the technical terms are. Does have a windscreen of sorts with a slot on each side and two slots on the front. Benson and Hedges advertising, black and gold color motif. I'm not that familiar with Benson and Hedges. Never smoked them as far as I can remember. Don't really remember hanging around anybody who did. Seems like the kind of brand that you might have seen sitting on the bar or hanging out of an ashtray up at the frog pond back in the day. I'm not going to make any comments about what I'm saying about any of those people who might have been smoking them. Plenty of good people hung out at the frog pond. Well, humanly speaking, good people. We know there's none of us that are good. Electra XL, like I said, the windscreen, which is formed with a slot on each side and then two slots on the front. See-through bottom plastic lighter. Let's just see what we got. we got spark. You can see the spark. Doesn't appear that we're getting any fuel. Plenty of spark, but no fuel to produce a flame. So after running this experiment, assuming that we don't open that one, that would be just the way it normally goes, is you open up all the ones that you think you have a shot with, and then the second that you open up the one that you were sure wasn't going to work, it'll work. So we'll see. If we do make a video for the last one, I won't be real hopeful. As a matter of fact, I won't be hopeful at all. But this has been a fun experiment just to see. You take these old promotional plastic butane junk. I say that because of the plastic. I say that because of the materials it was made out of, and what a waste that this lighter was never even able to perform its function, and yet the pollution and damage to the environment, when these sort of things are made, that kind of damage is done whether the lighter's ever used or not. So up till now, we've put together a fairly nice little collection of disposable promotional cigarette brand advertising butane disposable lighters. All of them with tobacco branding, Virginia Slims, Benson and Hedges, a couple of different Marlboro images, one of a cowboy on a horse, another one with a cowboy carrying a saddle, and then the one back there in the blister pack still has yet another image. But the lighter we were highlighting today, just like all the others, has failed us. It will not work. We'll not be able to use it to light up on the go or stick in my pocket in a pinch. I'm glad that there are people like our friend Azrael, who has mentioned on the live stream several times, which we participate in every Tuesday morning at 10 a.m. Central. But he has mentioned that because of where he lives and the lighters that he can get a hold of, he collects the plastic, butane, non-refillable advertising lighters, and that nostalgic image to him is something worth collecting. So maybe we'll put these together and do a giveaway on the live stream. But I don't think that we will be opening this last one. I think we will just leave it as it is and give it away with the other four. Until next time.